In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to get your profile Telegram link. That is how to get the link to your profile on Telegram. To get your profile link on Telegram, it is very simple. The first thing you have to do, you have to open up your Telegram app. So let's go to my Telegram. So as you can see, this is the home page of Telegram. So once you log into this Telegram, what do you want to do? If you check the bottom right corner, you're going to see the settings icon or settings gear over there. So I want you to tap on that settings icon. So once you tap on this settings icon, it will take you to this page. On this page, I want you to tap on my profile. So let's tap on my profile. So once you tap on my profile, it will show you this back end. You can see we have our phone number at the top and we have username under it. You just want to tap on username. So let's tap on username. So once you tap on username, it will load up this page for you. So what you just have to do on here is just to tap on this copy link and the profile link will be copied successfully. So guys, this is how to copy your Telegram profile link. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.